Okay, welcome back everybody. So my last video, I just threw a quick video up of the actual event. Now I'm going to give you some narration, some details. So just a heads up, I took first place in the 140 group. Third overall in my division. So it was an excellent day. Had a good time. The car, the only major changes I did was add some toe in. So on the southbound leg, I added about a 16th to an eighth of toe in. That settled the car down at 165. Car felt great, cruised along at 160, pretty darn stable. I felt pretty good. On the northbound leg, the wind started picking up. Pretty good crosswind. I'm guessing 15, 20 mile an hour, and that would definitely blow the car around. You had to stay on top of it as it would move it around in the lane a little bit, and you had to adjust. But other than that, the car was fabulous. No issues. So I'm going to throw this video up again. First place. So pretty cool. And enjoy the rest of the video. And I appreciate you watching. And hit that subscribe button. Thank you.